We're sure you noticed that some websites usually display multiple product variations such as size, color, or quantity on the same product page. These options sometimes affect the price, and separating these variants can be challenging. Not all price monitoring tools have overcome this challenge. Price2Spy has recognized the importance of this problem back in 2012, meaning that our support for this feature goes way back, and it's very advanced. When a price of a product on the product page depends on the chosen option or parameter, we call this a parametrized URL. This means that on the same URL, multiple prices are displayed, each one corresponding to the selected parameter. Here is an example. You can see that there is an option to select a different pack quantity, and obviously this affects the price. If I select a different pack size, you'll notice that the URL doesn't change. So how to specify which price Price2Spy should capture? If you encounter such issues on the websites you'd like to monitor, just send us the URL example and we'll make necessary adaptation and implement these product parameters in your Price2Spy account. How to apply a parameter? First of all, Price2Spy's team needs to make sure that Price2Spy recognizes and supports such parameters. Therefore, the first step is letting us know about it, so we can do the preparation, which usually takes up to 1 working day. Once these parameters are set up, you'll be able to add the URL and select the parameter value directly in Price2Spy, so you focus on the desired product variant. Just paste the found URL into Price2Spy, whether you're adding a new product or simply adding a URL to an existing one, and click Save. Price2Spy will by default capture the first price displayed for the first product option. You will be prompted to select the desired option from the drop-down menu and click Apply Parameters. The price for the selected parameter will be captured and you will now just need to click Confirm. What if there is more than one option to choose from? Sometimes the price depends on several parameters that can be combined, in such a way that selecting one parameter affects the other one. We call this Interdependent Parameters, and enabling such sites for price monitoring might be a bit more complex than those mentioned earlier. Here is an example. We can see that besides the quantity, there is an option to select a size for the given product. Both options affect the price, so let's see how the parameters work in this case. Once I paste the URL into Price2Spy and click Save, I will get to choose from 2 drop-down menus. I will select the desired options from each menu and click on Apply Parameters. I will check if this is the price I'm looking for, and if it is, click Confirm. What if you just need to multiply or divide the price displayed on the product page? In certain cases, you may not be selling the product in the same quantity as your competitors, so it's difficult to compare the prices. Price2Spy has a way of handling these situations by introducing a price multiplier. However, this will be a topic of another tutorial. Which industries are commonly dealing with parametrized URLs? Our experience with price monitoring has proved that the parametrized URLs are typical on web stores from several industries such as pet supplies, books and media, construction material, cosmetics, home decor, etc. On the other hand, it's not unusual for URL parameters to appear, to a lesser extent, in other industries as well. Please note that working with parametrized URLs is available to both basic and premium Price2Spy clients. If you have any questions regarding the parameters, please feel free to contact us at support@price2spy.com.